Yes, Abdurrahman.
Huzur, in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 166. 166.
He is a specialist in always inquiring with reference to the verses of the Quran. Abdurrahman, did you inquire about Mahmoud? What happened to him? Is he better or not?
He's still
who lives in the same flat where you live?
Yes, he's still in hospital.
Still in the hospital, but yeah. Is he any better, or didn't you inquire?
He's the same condition.
Same. We'll be all right, inshallah. Let's hope and pray.
So this verse is from Surah Al-Baqarah, number 166.
Yes.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَنْ يَتَّخِذُ مِنْ دُونِ اللَّهِ أَنْدَادًا يُحِبُّونَهُمْ كَحُبِّ اللَّهِ وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا أَشَدُّ حُبًّا لِلَّهِ وَلَوْ يَرَى الَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا إِذْ يَرَوْنَ الْعَذَابَ أَنَّ الْقُوَّةَ لِلَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَأَنَّ اللَّهَ شَدِيدُ الْعَذَابِ. The translation here is, and there are some among men who take for themselves objects of worship other than Allah, loving them as they should love Allah, and believers are stronger in their love for Allah. And if those who transgress could now see the time when they shall see the punishment, they would realize that all power belongs to Allah and that Allah is severe in punishing.
Huzur, could you kind of explain to us the meaning of andad in this verse?
Andad min dunillah. In fact, andad here carries a very meaning, a very wide application. It's not just the idol worship to which the Holy Quran refers. It refers to the weakness in humans to turn to the powerful among them rather than to God. And love not only who is powerful, but love also their desires. They make their own desires gods, so they are also andad. Similarly, they love the worldly people, and the, shall we say, the romantic attachment to people is far stronger than their love of God and their loyalty to Him. So every such expression of one's loyalty or love or fear is described as andad min dunillah. But those who love, who are the believers, true believers, ashaddu hubban lillah. Their love is far greater and stronger than their love for their worldly beloved ones. This is the main thrust of this verse. And ashaddu hubban lillah is an expression which is always proved to be correct whenever there are times of comparisons. Every moment of their lives, the believers, when they compare their love of this world and the love of God, when they are at odds with each other, when their requirements are different, you have to choose either this or that. The believers without fail always choose the love of God rather than their own love for anything else. As long as it does not happen, to love others is not andada min dunillah. So this ashaddu hubbu lillah has given us a criterion for judging which love of ours is a shirk and which is not. At the moment of contrast, at the moment of choices, if we fall to the worldly direction of the worldly love, then that love becomes shirk and the object of our love becomes among the andad min dunillah. If we always follow the direction of God, then that love has nothing to do with it. Right?
كان سؤال خصوصا